I'm excited to show you guys these gorgeous grates. I absolutely love them. My whole family loves them. They've got this really pretty geometric design. They look great against the laminate here. Very pretty. They add a really nice touch to any space. I'll show you now how easily they open and close. So here's a closer look. So it's currently open right now. Then it just closes like that. And then opens and closes and opens. Very easy, and it's kind of hard to tell when it's open or closed. You just come over to this tiny little tab. If it's like that, it's open, like that, and it's closed. They're very pretty. We've got these things all over the house now. If you're looking for a fun way to kind of spruce up your space, like for a really easy way, like just with simple furnishings, then this is a great vent. Got a really nice smooth metal feel to it, and again, very easy to open and close. And I absolutely love this geometric look. Very pretty, and would highly recommend it if you are looking for a fun way to just ramp up your interior design.